Top of the morning to you. Welcome to the knockout phase again, where one team sealed the position of Silver Cup, and here is the gritty battle going to happen between two teams. They've played magnificently, but here they come. One has to depart, and one will lock the position to Silver Cup. I have the captain of ICC 11, Abhay, and the captain and vice captain of Lightning Hawks, Farhan and Zahid, and the match official for toss, Suresh. He's got the coin and will hand over to one of the captain to spin, and the toss shall be given call. The coin's handed to the vice captain of Lightning Hawks. Then Farhan, he'll spin the coin and the call will be given by the captain. Abhay.
Heads.
Heads is the call. So be it, heads it is.
Okay. We would bat first.
Bat first is a call, crucial call for you, important game, and luckily you have won the toss as well.
Yeah. So the idea is that we'll put up runs on the board, and it's a crucial match, pressure match for both the teams. So we will take it from there. And I think the cricket is going to play true. There is no dampness on the pitch as such. And I think I should congratulate both the teams that they have made it to the semi-finals of this Silver Cup.
Very true, and a true sportsman spirit, in fact. And I mean, going with the tradition, how, taking the ideology, do you think that scoring in a crucial match like this and winning the toss, if you bat first, you'll be relieved with some pressure or the...
Well, it certainly helps. You have runs on the board, you never know with the changing side. A couple of wickets up the order, and there is always a pressure of run chase. So that's the idea of choosing batting first, and I hope that it plays out in our favor.
Luckily, and any changes in your team then?
No, we go with the same team. The squad is the same. No changes.
I wish you all the very best for the live action coming up. All the best, and allow you. Let's go straight to the captain and the vice captain who are waiting for me. Firstly, thank you. And a crucial toss for you, in fact, and you've had very close games. Unfortunate to taste defeat, and this is a fresh game. What you're going to start.
Yeah, it was a great tournament for us. We have played 5 matches, but this is the semi-final. We have got the opportunity to play the semi-final, and today we are looking forward to a good game. And the toss has gone to the against team, and they have decided to bat first. We were also looking for the bat, but we'll see what happens. We are having some dew on the ground, but we'll give our best. We'll try to give low total on the board, and we'll try to give our best. As this is the semi-final, if we win this match, then we'll move for the finals. So we'll try our best, and we'll see what happens, what goes for the two teams.
Definitely, all your sins will be washed out if you win this game and proceed to final. Any changes you've got in your team?
No, we are going with the same team. But I think 1-2 changes are there, but they have played the all league matches. We are going with some like Imtiaz is one there, Mehdi, and all are same. We are going with the same team, and after losing the 5 matches, we have to recover with this semi-final.
Definitely.
And lots of words are coming from my area also. We have lost 5 matches in a row, so inshallah we'll come back. We'll give our 100%, and in which way it will go, we'll see that.
Definitely, both of you are great lads and great bunch of team. I wish you all the very best for your game. Thank you.
Thank you. Wish you the same. Have a good time.
Thank you. This is it, where ICC 11 has won the toss and elected to bat first. Don't move away. Live action coming. Catch was the call, but was way too high than what he expected and will get a boundary. What a good leg. Cut the ball well. Nobody to run, and the loser, in fact. Slashed hard, opened it, and will be a boundary without any question. Ankit, he said, I had it enough. His team's gone in the Gold Cup. Straight over his head, and will be boundary. You don't have to run for that. Just Peel for out, straight away given. The keeper's done the trick. The keeper's done the trick. Full toss straight to Francis and it's taken. Cut the ball well. Can the fielder get through? No, he'll out. What a beautiful timing. What a beautiful. Lovely looped up and it's cleaned him. Beautiful breakthrough. Straight. Drilled it down. And misfielded. What have you done? He's looked good off road. Has he put it in the gap? Has he? And yes, he has. It's taken out straight. 100. I mean, now he's found the wood. Loose delivery. He had no fielder placed and was shot, had no pace. He and straight away, Mohsin's got his man. Has headed hard, heaved across. Will run away to the boundary. 4. And has swung it hard. Slug sweep and gone for 4. Lovely. Nicked it. And I think as nobody had to give the sky high. Where has it gone? Where has it gone? With one bounce in fielder's hand. Could have been catch. And yes. Slice it again. Flying man, but cannot get to the ball. Not near the ball. And is it chopped on? Yes, he has chopped on. Sets down on one knee. Beautiful. Open the face of bat and just walk down. Lovely played high. Oh yes. Some obstruction, but will run away to boundary. Fearless, fearless. He has that in his name. Lovely, and yes, Abhay prevails. That is what. Connected, and he finally falls. Enjoying themselves. This is what is important. Down the track and see you later, Mr. Alligator. Lovely, catches the call, but the call and cry will go in vain. Found the thick area of bat, as did to start and then run smoothly. Looped up, Francis has skied high, unnecessary shot, unnecessary. Whacked it hard. Has he put it in the gap? And no. This is not what you require. And very good. Here's halfway. Bye bye. Says the fielder from. Catches the call. He has misjudged the ball completely and will result in a boundary. Should not take things for granted. Whacked hard, not that hard, but yes, will be hard. If he's a big hitter. Hit plum and yes. And he hits the boundary. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the post-match presentation ceremony of the Silver Cup's knockout, where both the teams have landed in the finals. The unraveler here, the ICC 11 have unwrapped themselves as the second finalist, and they've made it to finals here. All thanks to their captain, but we'll see what has happened. Firstly, I'll take a minute to thank our privileged sponsors, Hell Rockers, R11, RR Stones, MSR Tipper Services, and Foursquare Sports Shop. A quick recap where ICC 11 won the toss and elected to bat first, imposing 136 runs on the fall of 7 wickets, giving the target of 137 and winning by a margin of 38 runs, where Lightning Hawks could only manage to hit 98 runs and being disposed as 10 wickets. Let's go straight to the captain who's standing with me, Zaid Khan. Another demise, unfortunate to be gloomy and doomy.
What I should say,
Fielding team and officials.
but it was a great experience. We were playing
11:30 match start time.
but it is a very good experience.
Fielding team came in
Sometimes we
11.
have to lose, we will come back very hard. We are not having players, we will search for the players, we will take some time for the tournaments and we will come back sure with one champion tournament again.
But definitely, as a captain, what a sports spirit you have showed. Losing is very hard to gather your players and to set their mind up to come up with a fresh mind and play. It isn't easy. How have you done that?
Yeah, every time as I was saying my players that we can win this match, but as I have told you, we were not having proper batting lineup as well as bowling lineup. So the against team, whichever we have played, they are having a good teams and they have played a good cricket with us and they have played a better cricket better than us. So all the best for their all teams who has those who have qualified for the finals and especially for the team ICC 11 for the finals for Silver Cup. And congratulations for the all teams, those who have participated also. It is a great tournament.
And before I pin Edu to you, any more improvisations for the management to have in the tournament, what you like to have, so that they'll come to know, because you are the dearest and the nearest what they assume and presume is. So any betterments?
Yeah, as I have told you, we have participated in the season 3 and we were in the Gold Cup final. And at that time also one champion was only one champion, and this time also it is one champion, and the facility they provide, like Mahendra
fantastic. But I want to tell that nowadays in many cricket grounds they are showing the full view of the video recording. So it will be the great work if we'll come with the next tournament with the full view of the tournament.
Definitely, your points are much appreciated and your valued, Saifan, and thank you. And let's go straight to the captain, Abhay. In fact, he is Abhay, fearless. That's his name. And congratulations, you've seen the spot. Your joyful nature suggests everything.
Yeah, I mean, kudos to the boys. We had a very poor start to the match. Strongest teams and then we suffered, some poor teams. So, what we missed as a team was consistency. But I feel that, the team shows characters.
How do you keep
Batsmen
yourself
of
so
Eldragars.
cool and composed? I mean, there's no
Fielding
expression
team
out of
and
the face.
officials.
I mean, is there something going on
It's
in your
already
heart? You
11:31.
don't put it out?
Well, I call my team as so when you cross water, you're sometimes in the matches, what happens is the pressure is high. It's very easy to lose. But I think that's something that comes
But age is just a number because he is the man who's taken off the light of everyone. He's outshined the team because he's bowled 4 overs, 1 maiden and conceded only 13 runs, picked up 13 wickets. This is the man and captain standing in front of you and the cause of man of the match and their sole reason to get the team in finals. I request the captain of Lightning Hawks to get the man of the match along with him to felicitate the fellow captain.
Batsmen.
This is where it ends with a hard fight and smiling faces, respect to each other.
All the best for the finals.
And this is where we depart and we bid adieu till finals of Silver Cup. Live action coming up for the Platinum Run.